Hey guys, it's Angry Admin here from angrysysops.com, and today I have a short video and I will show you how to integrate ChatGPT with Visual Studio Code. So let's do it. We open Visual Studio Code and we go to extensions and we need to type in ChatGPT. After a few moments, we have like a lot of extensions, but we're going for one, which is this one. Click install, and it's installing. And you see on this side of the screen, the installation was successful, just a few seconds. Now, to log in with ChatGPT and Visual Studio Code, we need the API code. So let's scroll this information node. And you see API key setup. Just click on the Open AI. Click Open. This will take you to the login page. I already logged in, but you need to just log in and create new secret key. So I just create a new secret key, copy, okay, and I'm going back to Visual Studio Code. And now let's click on the ChatGPT. So once we click login, you can see it asks us for API key. So let's open settings and we go to API key. We just paste over here and we are in. So now we can ask question. And we can ask I can't spell it. And there you are. So as you can see, it's easy. You can copy, you can insert to your project. So now you can be scared to lose your job. No, I'm just joking. You will not lose your job. And the reason why you will not lose your job is in this video. Just have a look and see on my video when I was actually testing ChatGPT against one-liner PowerShell code. Okay, that was a short video, but I hope you learned something new. As usually, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Twitter, it's @angrysysops. Read my blog, angrysysops.com, and see you in the next video. Bye.